Gishy, come back. Come back. We gotta start the video. So hello everybody. Gishy, over here. So hello everybody. I'm gonna teach you 5 simple tricks you can do with your dog. Let's just get right into it. So the cutest one is dance. Just put the tree over your dog's head and they'll try to jump after it. Gishy, can you dance? Good girl. Oh, ow! She tried to get it from my fingers. This dog is crazy. She loves treats. Even though you acted like you didn't eat in years, you're okay. She just grabbed it. Okay. So, where's the bottle at? Okay. The second one is touch. She knows how to do this one. You just put your dog's favorite toy or your favorite thing to scratch on it. I gotta cut up the treats. Oh, and Tuesday decided to join us. Hi, Tutu. Tuesday, I'm gonna do a video with you. Gizmo, stop being jealous. Sorry, I needed to get out the treats. We don't really have so many left. So, Gishy, touch. Oh my gosh, you left. Gizmo, don't chase Angela. It's not worth it. Touch. Good girl. But she kind of trampled over it, so do it again. Good girl. And I'll give her a treat for that one. And so, actually, this one isn't so very simple, but I think it's easy to accomplish. So this one's the weave. Gishy, just place your legs out like this and get your dog to come to the treat. Because she can't really do it so fast. That's why I'm doing it nice and slow. So she actually did good on that one. So another cute one is jump. She knows how to jump over my legs. Gishy, okay, Gishy, down, down. So she's gonna have to jump over my legs. Good girl. Tuesday, stop attacking her. She just came. Tuesday, I'm sorry, but we're in a training session here. Excuse me, kitten. Stop smelling her butt, weirdo. Get out of here. Tuesday, you're ruining everything. Okay, Gishy. Just ignore her. Okay, Gishy. Jump. Gishy. Jump. You can't use your paw, Gishy. Gishy, stop using your paw. Good girl. So I think this was the 4th one. Hey, you two knock it off. I think this was the 4th one. Or if not, I'm just going to do a random bonus. Oh dear. I need to remember what it was. So you don't have to sit here and wait for me. Remember what the last trick was. I'm just going to pause it. Okay, so I just remembered. It's shake. Gishy, sit. Gishy, sit. Sit. Good girl. So, we're going to do shake. She's not really used to me touching her paw, so she might resist. Gishy, sit. And I have nobody to help me on this side, so I'll just grab her paw. Sorry, Gishy, I didn't mean to get aggressive. Just please. Can I please? I just want her to get used to me touching her paw because she's not really used to it. And that's why she's like sniffing me like, why are you doing this? Okay, so let me do it again. Good girl. But I can't really do it the other way, how you hold the treat and give it to your dog while you shake its paw. I can't do that because I'm holding the phone. So I think we're going with the 5th one. If not, I'm just gonna do a little bonus Tuesday. Stop eating the carpet. Stop. 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 Gizmo, do you see her? Dang. Tuesday. And, okay, so I'm gonna do the stay trick. She's good at stay and also find, but we're gonna do that mixture. So, Gishy, sit. Good girl. Stay. 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 Come here. Good girl. Good girl. So I'm gonna do the one. Oh, Tuesday, get from my legs, kitten. Okay. So I'm gonna do the other one. How she sits and stays while a treat is there. So Gishy. Okay, Gishy. I want you to face this way. How are you gonna see me? Face this way, Gishy. Sit. Stay. 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 Get it. Go get it. She passed over it. Gishy, right here. There you go. Hi, Tuesday. So you're just gonna play with her bag. We need a refill on doggy treats. So this is her last treat. But we gotta make this worthwhile. Gishy, what treat should we, what trick should we do? You're looking at me like, you acting like I know. Angela's just creeping at me. She's just sitting on a chair like a cat. So, I don't know what to do for the last trick. Let me think about it again. I have my phone. Where's your phone at? Okay, I'm just going to think about the other trick. So, I have thought of this trick, and it's not simple at all. It's bridge. But instead of her going under me, she has to go on top. So, I'm going to have to ask my mom to hold the camera. Mommy, can you please come over here? Gotta wash my hands after this. Move this out of the way. Stop eating that.
Are you really eating the carpet?
Yeah,
No, she's eating it.
No eating. No eating carpet. So, I want you to face it this way. Towards Gizmo. Okay? So, it won't be really good for her because she's a little dog. So, we're going to have to pause it. So, she's doing it on my back. Gishy, I want her to follow the tree. Gishy, you can't stay next to me. I love you, but you gotta get on my back. Try to make the tree noticeable.
Come here.
She said, I'll eat it. What, Mommy? Not on my butt cheek. On my back.
Jump.
She knows how to jump. See?
Lay back down. Lay back down.
She ran away. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Did she eat it? Good girl.
I just paused it after.
So, goodbye, everybody. I just gotta say goodbye. And it off with my no, don't hit me, please. I'm just trying to carry you. Can I pet you? Are you being?
I'm playing. I don't feel like playing. I don't feel like being cute right now.
Tuesday, can you say bye to the fans? Meow meow. She said bye to the fans. Ow! Okay, bye everybody.